Hey everyone, this troubleshooting guide covers how to fix Spectrum Wi Fi 7 connectivity issues, resolving no internet access, slow speeds, and optimizing network performance. Restart your Spectrum Wi Fi 7 router and check all cable connection. If issue persists, move closer to the router or reposition it for better coverage as these steps resolve most connections or speed problems. If that doesn't help, use the My Spectrum app or your Spectrum account online to check for outages or contact support. Why Spectrum Wi Fi 7 not connecting to internet or slow speed? Loose or unplugged cables, a router or modem need a restart, too many devices using Wi Fi at once, service outages in your area, outdated router firmware, router hardware problem. Fix one, check physical connection. Loose or faulty cables are a frequent cause of connectivity problems. Ensuring solid connections eliminates this basic but critical source of error. Inspect all cables, power, Ethernet connecting your modem and router. Make sure they are securely plugged in and not damaged. Fix 2. Power cycle your modem and router. Power cycling clears temporary software glitches and memory leaks, refreshing the connection between your devices and Spectrum network. Method 1, using power source. Unplug both your modem and router from the power source. Wait at least 60 seconds, then plug them back in modem first, then router. Method 2, using app. Sign in using the same credentials as your online Spectrum. Select the Service and Equipment tab, scroll down and select your device Wi Fi 7 router from the Internet category. Select Restart Equipment, then click Restart Wi Fi 7 router button. Your pod will begin to restart automatically. Fix a reboot or reset your router. A soft reboot clears minor bugs. A factory reset removes deep-seated configuration errors or firmware glitches, restoring the router to a known good state. Soft reboot, hold the reset button for 5 to 14 seconds to restart the router without erasing settings. Factory reset, hold the reset button for 15 plus seconds or use the web interface to restore factory settings. Here is the note: this erases custom Wi Fi name or password. Fix 4, test a wired connection. If wired devices works but Wi-Fi does not, the issue is isolated to the wireless network. If wired devices also fails, the problem is likely with the modem or the service itself. Connect a computer directly to the router using a Ethernet cable and check if you have internet access. Fix 5, check for service outages. If there's a known outage, troubleshooting your equipment is unnecessary. Waiting for Spectrum to resolve the outage saves time and effort. Open the My Spectrum app, Spectrum account online and sign in. Look for outage alert or notification in your account. If there's an outage, you will see a message or alert on the main screen. Fix 6, reduce device load and interference. Too many connected devices or excessive interference can slow down your network. Managing device load and using the optimal frequency band maximize speed and stability. Disconnect unnecessary devices from your Wi Fi. Switch to the 5 GHz band for nearby devices and 2.4 GHz for farther ones. Step 7, contact Spectrum support. Some issues require patent fixes or equipment swaps that only Spectrum can provide. Support and also guide you through advanced troubleshooting steps. If all else fails, contact support or by calling 833-267-6094 for advanced troubleshooting, remote diagnostics, or hardware replacement. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.